What if the ultimate proof of a successful business is that it can survive the exact moment you stop working in it? Welcome to Basic Finance, where we break down the mechanics of wealth and enterprise. Today, we're examining the precise operational blueprint required to build a business that runs completely without you. The reality is that most founders accidentally build themselves a high-stress job instead of a self-sustaining asset. Escaping this trap requires fundamentally changing your role from a daily operator to a systems architect. This transition begins with a brutal audit of every single action you take during the workday. You cannot successfully delegate a task until you can accurately document exactly how it is done. By meticulously tracking your routine, you will quickly expose the operational bottlenecks where your personal involvement is actively stalling company growth. Identifying these bottlenecks is the first step toward replacing yourself with standard operating procedures, commonly known as SOPs. An SOP is a rigid, step-by-step written manual that dictates exactly how a specific business function must be executed. To create bulletproof SOPs, you must record your workflows in real time, capturing every granular detail from customer acquisition to final product delivery. This intense documentation removes the company's reliance on human memory and guarantees that product quality remains identical regardless of who is working. Once a process is strictly defined on paper, you must immediately determine if it can be handed over to software rather than a human. Modern automation through CRM platforms, automated billing, and algorithmic scheduling eliminates the possibility of human error in repetitive tasks. Every process handled by code is one less process requiring a salary, management oversight, or sick leave. By aggressively integrating software into your core operations, you permanently lower overhead costs while increasing operational reliability. However, while technology handles the repetitive data, it cannot make complex, real-time physical decisions. This necessitates the most critical hire in your company's evolution, a dedicated general manager or operations director. The sole mandate of this executive is to enforce your documented SOPs, manage the workforce, and resolve daily friction without calling you. When hiring for this position, you must prioritize candidates with a proven history of meticulous process management over those with raw creative vision. You are not hiring someone to reinvent your business, you are hiring a strict enforcer to maintain the exact machine you have already built. To ensure this manager does not deviate from your blueprint, you must establish strict key performance indicators or KPIs. A KPI is a specific, quantifiable metric, such as daily production output, customer acquisition cost, or profit margin, that acts as a dashboard for your company's health. By forcing your leadership team to report exclusively through these objective numbers, you strip all emotion and guesswork from performance evaluations. You simply monitor the data from a distance while your general manager handles the actual people on the floor. Furthermore, building a self-sustaining business requires embedding a performance-driven culture within your remaining staff. When employees are financially incentivized based on company performance, they begin to make independent decisions that align with ownership goals. This cultural shift ensures that operational problems are solved at the ground level before they ever reach upper management. To fully secure this operational structure, you must implement financial controls that stabilize cash flow without requiring your daily sales efforts. Shifting your business toward a recurring revenue model, such as subscriptions or automated service retainers, provides mathematical predictability to your income. Predictable revenue allows you to forecast budgets accurately, meaning your operations team knows exactly how much capital they have to deploy without asking for your permission. When revenue becomes automatic and operational spending is strictly capped by your SOPs, the business achieves true autonomy. It officially transforms from an active daily obligation into a highly scalable, independent financial asset. Achieving this state is the final step in reclaiming your time and cementing your wealth. Thank you for watching Basic Finance. If you found this factual breakdown valuable, subscribe to the channel for more straightforward financial education, and we will see you in the next video.